Guys, your boy is back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna not create anything. I'll not create anything. I'm gonna show you the website of React Native. So I'm gonna open my browser, go to my account, then I'll search for React Native, not OTP verify. What is coming? Hit enter. It will bring you the searches of Google, and what you have to do is just click on the first one, click on that, open the website, scroll a little bit. So I kind of like this is sketchy, the color is sketchy. Learn once, write anywhere. That means, what is anywhere? You can write both on the Android and the iOS devices. What am I saying? So if you use React Native, you can use both the Android and both the iOS. This is good. And we have some JSX in there. You can see header used to help to write heading. Then we have text, which helps to write text. We use normally p tag on the web. So we have text component from React Native. You can see that. So then what else? We don't have anything there. It says edit app.js to change this screen and turn it into your app. Nice. Then native development for everywhere. Nice. Then bottom we have some videos for React Native, I guess. Some beautiful women in there as well. Then what do we have? Facebook support, community driven. Nothing fancy. So I'm gonna go to the top. On the header, I'm gonna click on the components tab. On the components tab, we have some core components and APIs for React Native. So basically, in the React Native app, you cannot use HTML, CSS. You have to use React Native components for writing code. So on the component, we have some activity indicators, bottoms, flat list. This is kind of same with mapping with a lot of feature. Map used to render iterate with items, but this is not only iterate on the items, it do a lot of thing. So when it comes to React Native, flat list is one of the important thing that you have heard of. Then we have image component from React Native as well. Background image, you can use that for background images. And keyboard avoiding view is help to when you type something on mobile devices, it will help you to give you a smooth experience while you use keyboard avoiding view. Then next we have some model is to pop up a component or content, whatever. Pressable is to help press something. This is new, you can see we have the badge new. Then refresh control, I haven't used that yet. Scroll view is help to scroll if you want to show a lot of data which will not fit on a simple screen. You have to use scroll view so that it will help you to scroll up and down based on your content size. Then we have section list, and this is kind of same with the flat list, but the main difference is this is a section. When we used to write code on a web, we have some sections of website. This is one section, this is one section, this is another section, this is header section. So section, if you want to show something section wise, you can use section list. So basically, then we have status bar. Status bar is help to hide the measure of notches. You can see if you use mobile, you have a camera on the top, which is a notch. Just to hide that notch, to measure the weight of that notch, we use status bar. Switch, basically a button, toggle button. We don't have any toggle button in the website right now, so I'm gonna search for toggle button, switch button, just to give you an example. So this is switch button, not this one. This also switch, but this is the perfect one for web and Android for programming, to be clean, to be precise. Then we have text component to write text, then input, text input. This is the input field that we used on the web. On the React Native you have text input. Touchable highlight. So what is that? This is the thing that used to help animation on touch or press. If you press something on Android and iOS devices, it will help you to understand that this one is touched by some animation. So touchable highlight is one of good uh, example of that. And then we have the opacity. So basically this is same, but highlight is just little bit highlighted, and opacity is so good. So I use touchable opacity for making a user understand about that he has clicked on that button. And touchable without feedback, that means if you press on something, it will not give you an effect, it will just simple. For example, if I click on that, nothing happens, right? But it will redirect you to somewhere else. So this is used for that. Then we have view. So view and div are same. Remember we use div on the web to contain something, and in the React Native app we use what, view. Then visualized list, I don't use that. I haven't used that as well. And we have some core components for Android and iOS devices specifically. So these are the components that are not used on iOS, and these are the components that are not used on Android as well. They are not supported on there. So we have Doyer layout Android. I don't use that. I haven't used that as well. And touchable native feedback. This one also I haven't used. And on the iOS we have input accessory view, not used yet, and safe area view. Now what is safe area view? Remember we have talked about what, status bar. So safe area view is help you to hide the notch on the top. It will give some padding on the top if you use safe area view on Android. No, not on Android, on iOS. Sorry for that. Then we have props. On the props, image style props, layout props, shadow props, text style props, and view style props. These are the props that we use to style things on the native apps. And then object types, we have layout event object type, pressable event object type, React node object type, and React object type, view token object type. So if you want to read them, you can go through and dig into them, no issues. I haven't read those tabs yet, so I'm gonna leave it to you guys. Then next we have API, and in the API we have alert, animated view, so many things that you can not even think. So I have used till now dimension one. Then I have to use the alert one, animated one as well. Then I have used what transforms. No, I haven't used that as well. So use color schema helps to measure the theme of your mobile basically. So if you use dark theme, it will measure that you are using dark theme, and if you're using a light theme, it will detect the light theme as well. So based on your theme, you can change your components, change the color and view of the text on the background. So many things are done by this one. I like this so much. Use window dimensions. So this will help you to measure the size of the window. Then bottom we have Android APIs. These are only support on Android, and these are only support on iOS. So that's it for this video. I know this is so boring. This is so kind of weird, but it's fine. It's okay. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye. Bye.